Whether you're into IPAs, stouts, or lagers, PicoBrew makes it easier to enjoy home-brewed craft beers without the major setup. The Model C simplifies the brewing process into one appliance, and the measuring and mixing is simplified with its PicoPaks. Each one pops into the brew machine and contains the specific combination of hops, grains, and yeasts needed for that beer. PicoPaks eliminate guesswork and give you consistent results. And because the PicoBrew is using recipes from popular craft breweries, your homebrew is an exact replica of your favorite craft beer. PicoPaks are made from sugarcane, so when you're done brewing, they can go straight in the compost bin. Co-founders and brothers Jim and Bill had both tried their hand at homebrewing, so they combined their backgrounds as a food chemist and an appliance maker, along with their engineer pal Avi, to make this new way to brew. They wanted to create a different approach that would yield consistent results, require less time, and less work.